Meanwhile, the Supreme Court today has expressed its inclination to speak to the Union Minister for Road and Transport, Nitin Gadkari, to expand his stance on the issue of implementation of government policy on electric vehicles. The Chief Justice of India, Bobde, has remarked that it is not a summons and Nitin Gadkari can respond however he wants to. Additionally, the Chief Justice has said that while aspects of air pollution like stubble burning are discussed in the largest source of pollution, as it's called, which is vehicles, is not being spoken about often enough. Let's find out exactly what is being said over here and its implications. Abhimanyu Sharma, my colleague in Delhi, has been tracking this. Abhimanyu, if you can put this in context for us.
Well, the plea which was filed before the top court had sought implementation of the 2012 central policy on encouraging electric vehicles across the country. The petitioner had claimed that the centre, despite coming out with this noble policy, did not fully implement it and had sought a full implementation. And in January, the court had heard this matter for the first time when a reply was sought from the centre. And today, the court was inclined to seek an audience with Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari. However, the court had made it extremely clear that this was not a summon and the Union Minister can respond the way he wants to. He can also respond by means of filing an affidavit or through the ASG who was representing the Union government in the top court. Also, the court had made observations about the fact that while everyone is bothered about increasing air pollution due to stubble burning and due to firecrackers, the incidents of both these events take place not more than a few weeks or months in any particular year, whereas vehicular pollution is something which is happening on a daily basis and it needs to be nipped in the bud in order to see a drastic change in improvement of air quality across the country. Hence, the court made it clear that there should be some encouragement in form of subsidy or in form of some state support as far as encouraging the electric vehicle policy is concerned. It remains to be seen what is going to be the stand of the centre. The centre, of course, has been inclined in recent times as far as its push for electric vehicles is concerned, but till what extent the apex court is going to back that stand that is something which will come out in due course of time when the subsequent hearings will take place in this case, and whether the reply which would be filed by the Ministry of Transport would be implemented as part of letter and law by the top court.
Yes, Abhimanyu, a lot is desired on electric mobility, and the faster we move, the better, because we've seen our recent AQI levels in cities like Mumbai, which has gone up quite dramatically. Delhi has had its own set of problems, and we've seen how stubble burning has been one of the core reasons. But electric mobility perhaps can help reduce carbon emission levels, which is essentially something that we need to address.